Hello.
Yeah. Don't bite him. I don't mind if he bites you.
Yeah, I know.
Right on.
All right.
Do they like to nip?
Yeah, a little. They do that to me, but they don't do that very hard.
So this is a green military macaw, is that what you said?
Sir. A great Buffon's macaw.
And then
The red ones are red scarlet macaw.
the red ones are the red scarlet, which are the national bird of Honduras. Eh?
They
They're
also
pretty.
have the ability to mimic you and repeat after you. They just only know a couple Spanish words. Like all. My girl.
Oh, beauty.
So we just
Would you like to hold the red one?
I do.
All right. I see you like the red one. All right.
That's cool.
Ready, hand, ma'am?